Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a craft video for you guys. I will be showing you guys how to make this super cute and affordable sunflower candle holder arrangement. If you want to learn how to make this, keep on watching. First, I'm going to glue this styrofoam wreath on top of a cardboard circle. Both items were bought at Hobby Lobby. The wreath was $5 and the cardboard poster was $3. Now I'm going to hold the wreath in place until it completely dries down. Now I'm going to take my candle and I'm going to center it in the middle. Then I'm going to mark where I need to cut a hole for my candle to sit on. Now as you can see here, I'm trying to take out a piece of styrofoam so that my candle has a place to stand on without tipping over. As you can see, I made a hole so that my candle has a place to stand on, but it is still tipping over on the sides, so I need to add support. For support, I'm using a piece of floral foam. The floral foam is from Dollar Tree. Here I'm marking how tall I need the floral foam to be. I'm going to cut 2 small rectangles for support on the sides. Now I'm going to glue down both of my rectangles on both sides. As you can see, I made kind of like a little seat for my candle to sit on. Now it is not tipping over because I added support on the sides. Now I'm cutting the corners of the foam so that the foam can be in the shape of a circle like the candle. Now I'm going to glue floral moss all around the cardboard circle. I got the floral moss from Dollar Tree. Here is the final result of the moss, but now I need to hide the white of the cardboard peeking out. To do that, I'm just gluing moss on the sides of the circle to hide the white. Now I'm going to cover the green from the floral foam with more moss. I'm also making sure to cover the sides of the styrofoam that are still visible. Now I'm going to take my flowers that I bought from Dollar Tree and I'm going to cut the stems a little short. I'm making sure to leave a little bit of stem so that I can stick the flower inside the styrofoam. Here are all the sunflowers that I will be using for this arrangement. As you can see, I hid the white from the cardboard really well. After that, I went ahead and started sticking some flowers into the styrofoam. First, I was putting a little bit of glue inside the hole where I wanted the flower to be, and then I stick the flower in. I will also be using some pine cones for this arrangement. So first, I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the pine cone and then I will be sticking it on the styrofoam. The pine cones were free because I picked them up from outside. This is the final result after all the pine cones and the flowers. I know you can still see a little bit of the styrofoam, but that's because the camera was at a lower angle. Now I'm going to take these moss stones that I purchased from Dollar Tree and I'm going to be sticking them onto the floral moss. Now I'm going to take these little sunflowers that I bought from Dollar Tree and I'm going to be gluing them on top of the moss stones just because there's not enough sunflowers in this, lol. And here is the final result, guys. I'm absolutely in love with this. This is probably my favorite project that I have ever done. It really took me a lot of time, but I really enjoyed doing every little thing. All my hard work was worth it because this is absolutely stunning. My mom loved it. I made this for her. Something like this online would range about $50 to $80, and I made it for less than $25. I also forgot to mention that I put the centerpiece on top of this wood coaster that I already had. The wood coaster is from Hobby Lobby. I'm so in love with this, I just don't know what to say, like, I'm speechless. I'm so proud of myself though. If you guys want to see some of my other projects that I have done in the past, make sure to follow and check out my Instagram page at Adi by Art. Thanks for watching.